Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would share with you this awesome deal that Sizzix.com is having. So this is an enabler alert video, and I got this idea from Gracie. I will link down her channel down below because she has alerted us and several awesome deals, and I have been really thankful for that because I got to take part in those deals. Sometimes I like to watch haul videos, but when they show their haul videos, it's been after the fact, that the sales have ended. So this is an enabler to let you know of this amazing deal. And I think this ends like July 7th, but I will have the link down below. And I just wanted to share them with you because, I mean, look at these prices. $340. That one's been retired. $260. That one also, but and I actually have a lot of these dyes, and I would suggest that you sign up to their newsletter because I did get an email from them I think a couple days ago about their deals. So I am here letting you know about it as well. I just use this dye right now because I'm working on a project, and that's what that looks like. And this is the smaller one. I cut it out. I don't know if I cut it out 3 or 4 times, but it comes with 2 dyes. So this is the smaller one, then it has the bigger one. So I just wanted to share that with you really quickly, and just to alert you about this sale that's going on. And now a lot of the Stephanie Bernard dyes are on sale, maybe because of the lawsuit, but look at this. This makes a card, and it's for only $4. They also have the stockings. They actually have a lot of the, like, she has like a lot of like unique folds of cards, like the flippets and the side step and the center steps. And you guys, I would highly suggest that. They also have a lot of the big dyes on sale, which means they are the thicker ones, the ones that you can cut a lot of material from, these ones. And I really like it because, like I said, you can cut pretty much anything. You can even cut chipboard out of them. And I like to use that thick foam to make shakers. And I actually have this one in my cart because it's only going for $3.84. And I know that you can probably make your own wonky, frame. But if you have a die for only under $4, or why not? I might as well use the die. And that way I get a perfect cut and the exact same cut every single time. So now I'm going to move my desktop or my laptop and share with you some of the dyes that I've seen on the website that are on sale and that I already have, so that you can have an idea of what they look like. I just wanted to show you one more dye that I want to get, which is this one, because I saw one of Carol's videos. Again, I've been inspired, and I don't have a lot of Halloween dyes, but this one for only $6.50, I'll take it. All right, so let me show you some of the dyes that I have that are part of the sale. Okay, so now here are some of the dyes. Now, I don't know if this one is part of their deal, but the only reason why I brought it out was to show you what a big dyes look like, which is these thicker ones, and to show you that this is the thick foam that I like to use to make shakers. And this thick foam, I get it from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and I believe it is 5 millimeters thick, and that's what that one looks like. So I've seen this dye there, and this bag is fairly small. I've seen this one. These are really cool because it's almost like a gatefold type of thing, and you can see all the dyes that it comes with. Now these are really, I like these. These are the stand-ups, and what's really neat about these is that they also have matching, what's it called? Like these layering dyes, that goes in the center. But it does come with all of these dyes already that you see in the card. I mean, she hooks you up with everything, even with the layering, like that background paper, like the pattern paper. It has everything. And here is another really quick example of that one. That's another one. It's just the shape inside, changes. And I also saw this one, which is a back topper, and I like this one because it's a really good size. As you can see, look at that. It is pretty big, you guys. So I really like this one too, because this one is like a side step card. This one is neat also. This is a birthday present, and this is like a little caddy. Now these are extremely affordable in the site, and I couldn't find the die right now, but I know that I saw the balloon one, which is, I don't know if you remember me sharing this video with you guys, and I don't know if she also has, if that website also has this one, but here are some of the tags, because I know I saw the tags in there too. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will have the link to Sizzix.com in the description box. Bye everyone.